Here's how to create 3 streams of income. Before I tell you what they are, you're going to want to save this and come back to it later. So go ahead and do that now. So the first stream of income is to monetize a hobby. Think about something that you like to do and make sure it's something that people would pay you for, even if they're paying you to show them how to do it. For me, my hobby is creating journals and books. The second way is through passive income. This is where you put in the effort up front and then you reap the benefits on the back end. Some examples of this would be like rental homes, rental cars, like Turo, and ebooks, things of that nature. For me, my passive income comes from being a digital liaison and by creating digital products. I just create my digital products once or my course once and it keeps selling over and over again. People can access them whenever they want and download them. I never have to worry about running out or having enough inventory because they're digital. Now, the third way is through having some type of high income skill. It should be a skill that no one or no social media platform can ever take from you. You'll just need to educate yourself outside of free videos and put in the time and the effort to actually make it successful. You can just do a simple Google search on the best high income skills, but for me, it's been stock trading and digital marketing. All right, so these are the 3 streams of income that you can create and have a lot of fun doing it. Let me know down in the comments if you plan to try one. Let me know which one.